Before we can begin any emergency service work, we will need a work authorization form signed. This form is also known as the Emergency Service Agreement. The form provides legal permission to access your property and perform emergency services. Here's what you need to know. When you sign the form, you're authorizing our company to provide labor, materials, and equipment to protect your property from further damage. This includes emergency mitigation, cleaning, and restoration work. The agreement also includes limited assignment of benefits. That simply means that you're authorizing the insurance company to pay us directly for work performed. If they don't, you are agreeing to pay us within 24 hours of receiving any insurance funds. It's important to understand that this form outlines responsibility for uncovered items, such as your deductible, depreciation, code upgrades that are not covered by insurance. You're also agreeing to pay for any work that is not approved by your carrier unless it's authorized in written form beforehand. This is not a commitment to a full restoration contract. It's an emergency agreement to secure and stabilize your property immediately. If further work is needed, that will be outlined and approved separately. We take our responsibility seriously. The terms and conditions also include our ethics policy, your rights regarding arbitration, and how we handle disputes fairly. Before signing, please read thoroughly through the entire document and ask any questions. We're here to help you understand every detail. Your signature ensures that we can swiftly protect your property and work directly with your insurance in order to get things done and get you back in your home. Thank you. We appreciate you. We value you. We'll see you next time.